Most people think a big neck is something you're either born with or you're not. Like it's some rare gift reserved for wrestlers, fighters, and powerlifters. But that's not reality. Anyone can build a strong neck, even if you're skinny. A thicker neck changes the way you look instantly. It makes you look stronger, and it puts you in that perfect t-shirt shape. Here's the beautiful part about neck training. You don't need fancy gear. No machines, no straps, no weight plates if you don't want them. Today, I'll show you just 2 neck exercises that everyone can use to build a good neck without equipment. You can even do it at your office, so no excuses this time. Let's dive in. 1, the neck up. For this, all you need is just your body and something you can hang your head off. A bench, a bed, a couch, a chair, anything stable works. This movement is beginner-friendly and veteran-approved. I call it the sit-up for your neck because that's exactly what it feels like. How to do it. Lie on your back on a bench, slide down until your head hangs off the edge. Only your shoulders and body stay supported. Let the weight of your head stretch your neck. You'll see the room upside down. From there, bring your chin to your chest. Touch it if you can. Then lower back down and repeat. Keep your back flat. Use your neck, not your body to move. You can flip over and do the reverse version to hit the back of your neck. Both work. Now, some people like to balance a weight plate on their head. You don't need to. If you get enough reps, you'll build strength and size with a way lower risk of injury. Your body understands tension, not how pretty the weight plate looks. Do 3 to 5 sets of 50 reps. 1 minute rest. 2, neck bridges, the holy grail. This is the king of all movements. It's the one wrestlers made famous. The one boxers, MMA fighters, and grapplers still swear by. The one Mike Tyson built his legendary neck with. Neck bridges work everything. Front, back, sides. They build strength, size, function, and insane endurance. Here's how to do it. You bridge on your head, your body stays up, your feet drive into the floor, your neck holds your full weight while you rock back and forth under control. Tyson used to do 3 rounds of 10 minutes. Once you try this, you'll understand how ridiculous that is. 1, timed rounds. Pick a time you can handle, maybe 30 seconds or 5 minutes. Hold the bridge or rock back and forth until the timer ends. Do that for 2 or 3 rounds. 2 to failure. Just bridge until your neck says, we're done. 3 sets and reps. Classic style. Choose a number. Let's say 50 reps, then hit 5 sets. But here's the important part. If you're a beginner, don't jump straight into bridges. Start with the neck ups, build some strength, then level up. And that's your neck blueprint. Simple, effective, and proven by fighters and athletes for decades. Run these exercises consistently, and your neck won't just look better, it'll perform better. But that's not all. You also have to train your frame. So watch this video on your right, and it'll teach you the simple way to get a wider frame.